any surprising use case that you didn't expect people to use Notion for?
So Notion roughly can be used as a 4 different product, notes and document on one hand. Wiki is another one. Project management is one. And the last one is just a general purpose database to organize things. So far, plenty of people use Notion for those 4 use cases on the consumer side or on the enterprise side. But on both consumer and enterprise side, there's some interesting use cases. For example, because Notion, it's a notes and document tool on the internet, and plenty of people use Notion as a lightweight web page publisher. And on the enterprise side, many companies publish their jobs page or publish their about page in Notion directly, or like a release note, what's new page, right? So they don't have to set up their blog; they can just use Notion directly without using a CMS or anything.